Good morning. Before we begin, the Democratic caucus had a successful election for the position of co-chair of the Democratic Policy and Communications Committee, and we're excited to be joined by Representative Lori Trahan and the full complement of the DPCC today. Welcome back. And just a reminder, these visuals are again a reminder of the least productive Congress in more than 90 years. Don't take our word for it. One Republican said on the House floor that he couldn't name, quote, one meaningful, significant thing the Republican majority has done. This is historic amount of dysfunction, and this is what happens when extreme MAGA Republicans dictate the agenda. Republicans have tried to criminalize abortion and slash Social Security and Medicare at every turn. And now Donald Trump, the leader of their party, is gearing up for yet another attempt to repeal the Affordable Care Act. We're talking about kicking 40 million Americans off of their health care and denying coverage for 135 million Americans with pre-existing conditions. When the House Democrats held the majority, we strengthened the Affordable Care Act. We passed the bipartisan infrastructure law, the Bipartisan Safer Communities Act, the Bipartisan Chips and Science Act, and the Inflation Reduction Act. These laws are creating good-paying jobs, lowering energy costs, and making schools safer and our communities across the country safer. It's not too late for Republicans, as we have said time and time again, to extend an arm and to work in a bipartisan way with Democrats to help everyday Americans. With that, I'd like to introduce the Vice Chair, Ted Lieu.